What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Car Vibes. Today we're diving into one of the most legendary names in American performance history. Reborn for a new era, the 2026 Dodge Viper GTS. Yes, you heard that right. The Viper is back, and it's louder, sharper, and more aggressive than ever. For years, enthusiasts wondered if the Viper name would ever return after production ended in 2017. The original beast, known for its raw V10 power and unforgiving personality, left behind a legacy that few cars could match. Now in 2026, Dodge has brought it back with a modern twist while staying true to what made the Viper iconic in the first place. From the moment you see the new 2026 Dodge Viper GTS, you know this isn't just another sports car. The design is unmistakably Viper. The long, dramatic hood stretches out like a coiled snake ready to strike. The cab rearward proportions remain intact, paying homage to the original Dodge Viper that shocked the world in the early 90s. But now, everything is sharper and more aerodynamic. The front fascia features ultra-slim LED headlights that look like piercing eyes, flanking a massive central grille opening designed to feed serious air into the engine bay. Functional air vents carve through the hood, extracting heat and adding to the aggressive stance. Along the sides, deep sculpted channels direct airflow toward the rear haunches, which are wider and more muscular than ever. At the back, a full-width LED light bar meets a large adjustable carbon fiber wing, making it clear that this car isn't just about straight-line speed, it's built for corners too. Now let's talk about what's under that hood, because that's where the Viper truly defines itself. Dodge knew they couldn't bring back this legend without serious firepower. The 2026 Viper GTS is rumored to carry a newly developed 8.7-liter naturally aspirated V10, pushing out over 720 horsepower and around 650 pounds-ft of torque. That's right. Dodge kept the V10 alive in an era where downsizing and electrification dominate the industry. Unlike turbocharged rivals, this engine delivers instant throttle response and a spine-tingling exhaust note that no smaller engine can replicate. The roar of a V10 at full throttle is something that sends chills down your spine, and Dodge made sure that emotional experience remains the heart of the Viper. Power is sent to the rear wheels through either a 6-speed manual transmission. Yes, a proper manual, or an optional high-performance dual-clutch automatic for those who want lightning-fast shifts. Performance numbers are absolutely insane. 0 to 60 miles per hour happens in just about 3.1 seconds with a top speed, pushing beyond 210 miles per hour. But what makes the 2026 Viper GTS special isn't just straight-line acceleration. The chassis has been completely re-engineered using a lightweight aluminum space frame combined with carbon fiber body panels. The result is a curb weight kept under 3,400 pounds, which is impressive considering the massive engine up front. Adaptive suspension, magnetic dampers, and a new electronic limited slip differential help tame the raw power, giving drivers confidence whether they're carving up mountain roads or attacking a racetrack. Inside the cabin, Dodge has finally given the Viper the refinement it always deserved without sacrificing its driver-focused philosophy. Slide into the cockpit and you're greeted by premium Alcantara and leather surfaces, carbon fiber trim, and deeply bolstered sports seats designed to hold you tight during high-G cornering. The dashboard is angled toward the driver, reinforcing the feeling that this machine is built around you. A fully digital instrument cluster displays customizable performance data, including lap times, Q-forces, tire temperatures, and power distribution. At the center sits a large touchscreen infotainment system running the latest Uconnect interface, offering Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, and performance telemetry integration. Despite all the modern tech, Dodge has kept the soul of the Viper intact. This car isn't overloaded with artificial driving aids that numb the experience. Yes, it has traction control, stability management, and selectable drive modes, but they're designed to enhance performance rather than restrict it. In its most aggressive setting, the Viper allows controlled oversteer and rewards skilled drivers who know how to handle serious rear-wheel drive power. It's still a car that demands respect. It doesn't babysit you, it challenges you. When comparing the new Viper to its predecessors, especially the final generation Dodge Viper ACR, you can see how much evolution has taken place. The old ACR was a track monster with extreme aero and record-breaking Nürburgring lap times. The 2026 GTS builds on that heritage, but adds modern engineering and slightly more daily usability. It's still hardcore, but it's no longer punishing. Road noise is reduced, ride quality is improved in comfort mode, and the interior feels far more premium than older generations ever did. Of course, the big question in 2026 is electrification. With performance icons like the Chevrolet Corvette E-Ray, embracing hybrid technology and brands across the globe shifting toward electric powertrains, Dodge faced a critical decision. Instead of going fully electric with the Viper, they chose to preserve the raw combustion experience, at least for now. However, there are whispers that a future high-performance hybrid variant could arrive later, potentially pushing power close to 900 horsepower. But for purists, this naturally aspirated V10 version is the one to celebrate. On the road, early test impressions describe the steering as incredibly direct and communicative. The front end feels planted thanks to improved weight distribution and advanced aerodynamics. Massive carbon ceramic brakes provide relentless stopping power, hauling the car down from high speeds with confidence. The exhaust system features active valves that allow drivers to switch between a more subdued tone for city driving and a full, unleashed roar for open highways and track days. It's dramatic, theatrical, and unapologetically loud, exactly what a Viper should be. Pricing is expected to start around $125,000, placing it firmly in competition with high-end sports cars from Europe and America. Yet the Viper stands apart, because it offers something increasingly rare, an unfiltered mechanical driving experience. It's not just about numbers on a spec sheet. It's about emotion, about the feeling you get when you press the start button and that massive V10 erupts to life. It's about gripping the manual shifter, timing your shifts perfectly, and feeling the rear tires dig into the pavement. The 2026 Dodge Viper GTS represents more than just the return of a nameplate. It's a statement from Dodge that pure performance still matters. In a world moving rapidly towards silent electric motors and autonomous features, the Viper roars back as a symbol of raw power and driver engagement. It honors its past while embracing modern engineering, creating a machine that feels both nostalgic and futuristic at the same time. For longtime fans, this is the comeback they've been waiting for. For new enthusiasts, it's an opportunity to experience one of the most iconic American sports cars ever built in its most advanced form yet. The snake has shed its skin and returned stronger than ever. And if this is truly the next chapter of the Viper legacy, then the streets and racetracks of the world are about to get a lot more exciting. This is Car Vibes. And if you love pure horsepower, aggressive design, and the thrill of driving, the 2026 Dodge Viper GTS might just be your dream machine. Let me know in the comments what you think about the Viper's return, and whether you choose the manual or the dual clutch. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more high-performance content right here on Car Vibes.